Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you some steps how to use AutoCAD for the beginners. The first step is to open the AutoCAD into your personal computer. Right here we have the table of the AutoCAD. Here is to make a new drawing, to open a project, to save as, to import, export, print. Right here is when we draw something to save the project, and we have right here the undo and the redo. Right here, this one are the most tools we use in AutoCAD. Right here we have the line, and right here we have the polyline, we have the circle, we have the tool when we want to move something, to copy something, to rotate, to mirror, to trim. Right here we have the text, to create text, we have the dimension. But the first thing we had to do when we open the AutoCAD is to make or create a layers. To make a layers, we had to go right here, layer properties, and we click with the left buttons 2 times, and we have a new window right here. When we open this, we go to this one and we click two times or 1 time, and right here we rename the layer 1 and we want to create a layer for example for wall. When we create a layer for wall, we get the color, for example the blue color or red color, and we have the type of the line. The type of the line for the wall, we choose 15 millimeters. Then at the layer 2 we click to rename a layer. We go right here, or we can press F2. We make a layer for columns, and right here we have the color of the columns, something like this, and also the type of the line is 15. Also we take a layers for grid elements, the grid we gave this one, and the type of the grid will be 0.09 or 0.1509. Okay, when we want to take a grid, now we want to start to make a project, but the grid will be in the layer of the grid. That we is double click in the grid, and now we use the polyline, and we have here. But if we don't want this one right here, we go over here, we click this, and now we can only in the left, in the right, up or down, for example. But also we want the grid to be the line, not to be continuous. We click right here, we go to the load, and we choose one of these tab. I choose it to dash it, for example this one. Okay, and we click right here, dash it, and OK. Now I have to double click in the grid, and we go to the polyline, and this one I go for like this one. Now we want to copy. If we want to copy the grid, we click in the grid and we copy this one. We click in the endpoint and we order a distance of 400, for example. if we want again to grid it, we click in that, we click in the copy, we click in the end of the point, and also we can for this one for by function. Now we want to create a grid in this line, like this one, and we want to copy it again, 400, and this one for 300. That we have. Now we want to make a columns. And the way to make a columns, we go to the layers and double click with columns, and we have here the columns. It's a polyline, and we gave the dimension of the grid. Go, for example, like this one 25, 25, 25, and we have the 25 right here. But this one is the one thing. If we want to explode it, we have right here the tool explode. To explode, we click it and we explode this thing. For example, we have exploded it. Now we delete this one. But also in the layers right here, we have the hatches. But we had to make a layers for hatch. The hatch of the columns will have the same color but a different line. On this one, and we put 2 times in the hatch. We click in the hatch, and also right here we have the hatches, and we use the concrete hatch. The symbol of the concrete hatch is this one. And right here we have one column. Also, if we want to see the line, we click right here, show hide line weight is right now is off, but we can turn it on. So this one right here is 0.15. Then we have right here 0.50. And the hatch is 0.09. Now we want to copy this. To copy this, we click in each of the line, or if we have, and we click copy, and we go to the copy right here. But if we click in each of this and we click move, now we are going to move the column from here. Now we don't have more a column right here, but we need what? We need a copy. The copy, this one, and this one. Now we have this one. We go right here, we move columns right here, for example, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Now we want to make a wall. We choose this one, and we have right here we go. We go to copy this one. We have the same for this one. This is not okay. We delete this. We get the copy from here to here.